Yes! I'm going to win!
Not if I can help it.
Or me! No way I'm going to lose this race. Peter!
It's a beautiful day. Sounds like those young rabbits are having fun today. Oh. Well, that was a fine how do you do.
Oopsie. Mr. Tolly! Come on! Oh, no! Aha! Fishing? I can't reach him! Now what? There! The boat!
Peter,
Come on!
jump on, quick!
We'll never catch him! Never say never, Benjamin! Did you get him? If by him you mean Jack Sharp, then yes. Yes, I did.
Well, isn't this a proper pickle I've got myself into? Oh, boy.
Jack Sharp! Stop!
Peter?
Sorry about this, Jack. We were aiming for Mr. Tolly. We accidentally knocked him out.
Onto a lily pad, and now he's drifting across the lake, and he can't swim back, even if he wanted to, because he's a tortoise, and tortoises can't swim. And I know that for a fact.
Anyway, we've got to rescue him.
Just in case, Pocket, just in case. Boys, we'd better hurry. He's heading towards Owl Island.
Owl Island? This is bad. Really, really bad. Come on then, guys. Let's hop to it. Bye, Jack.
Good luck. Well, that was quite a little adventure. All right, I hear you. I wonder what they've got to eat around here. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Mr. Fisher! Mr. Fisher!
Oh!
Sorry, Mr. Fisher.
Oh, Peter Rabbit. It is a good thing I like water, young sir. Why are you in such a fearful rush?
I need something that makes a sound like a bird call. It's an emergency.
Oh, gracious me, what fun. Peter, you've come to the right place. Oh, yes, a musical challenge. Drum? No.
Whoa.
Let's see. I know. Violin. Not bad, but no. Peter, I believe I've found just the thing. Oh.
Great. A whistle? That was your big idea? This is no ordinary whistle. Listen.
The bird seems to like it.
But you know who won't like it?
A short rest, and then it's off to hunt those slippery rabbits once again. I still have their little warning bird after all. What? Not another noisy bird. Oh, what if that one warns the rabbits too? Time to catch another feathered nuisance.
You get to that cage open. We'll keep Mr. Todd busy.
Aha.
We've got to be quick. I don't know how long Peter can for, Mr. Todd.
Here, birdie, birdie. I've got a present for you. Gotcha! Aha! Got you! Oh, where's it gone? Huh? Ah! Oh no, my best trousers! Oh.
Still not high enough. Look, I made a staircase. Benjamin?
Whoa!
Benjamin!
Ouchie, I'm okay.
We need to come at this from a whole different direction. Ready?
Oh, rabbit to brave, rabbit to brave.
You can do it, Benjamin. I'll help you.
Yeah! Yay! We did it! I'm okay.
Lovely fresh worms.
Oh
No! My lunch!
Morning!
You clumsy bunny brats! Steal my lunch! Go get it! Oh, no! Pesky little bunny rabbits! Thought you could mess up my worm catching and get away with it, did you?
Yes.
Wait! If it was worms you wanted, why didn't you just say so? Because you just happened to be looking at the wood's #1 worm catchers.
Huh? Where?
Oh, you silly. I mean, big, not at all ugly badger. Sometimes we can catch worms in our sleep. Sometimes we catch so many worms we don't even know what to do with them.
Yeah, right. Worms, they're so wriggly.
So you let Benjamin go and we'll fill this bucket with worms. Deal?
I tell you what, fill that bucket with worms and then I'll let your friend go. And be back by lunchtime when the sun's at its highest. Or else.
Look out, worms. Here we come.
Look out, worms. Here we come. Peter, we've never caught a worm in our lives.
True. But, well, there's a first time for everything.
But a whole bucket load? By lunchtime? Benjamin's really in trouble.
He's not in trouble because we can do this. Watch. See? Oh, slippery little things, aren't they?
You're grabbing at them too fast. Here, let me try. Maybe we need a deeper hole.
Ouch! Not a single worm. Benjamin's in so much trouble.
Here, while we're waiting, make yourself useful and give these a polish.
Ugh. Blech. Blech. Ugh. Hurry, Peter. I'm telling you, Peter, there's no such thing as a flying worm.
But I just saw one. Shh.
Never thought I'd be so happy to see that old lake.
Aw, poor Jack.
Don't worry, not far to go now.
Oh no, look!
How do we get Jack Sharp to the lake with them there?
Peter, ask yourself, what would your father do?
He'd find a way. A good rabbit never gives up. Aha!
There they are!
They're mine! They're mine!
Tail feathers, they're ours!
Come here!
You try it, Fox. Empty!
We've been tricked!
Peter Rabbit!
I hope this works, Peter!
Not as much as I do.
Tell me when it's over!
Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! well, Dad.
Yay!
We did it!
Congratulations. You might have saved that fish, but who's going to save you?
Not my jacket!
Oh, Tendrils, Callum!
Thanks, Jack.
Thank you for getting me home. Your dad never let me down, and neither did you or your friends, Peter. So long.
Bye, Jack. See you soon. I guess it's time we went home too.
Tea time! Still no bites, eh? But don't be glum. Fishing can be awfully exciting sometimes. Believe me.
Oh, we know that, Mr. Fisher. Mrs. Tiggywinkle's babysitting Cottontail, and well, don't ask, it's a long story. Now let's hop to it and get these strawberries. Huh? I was sure there were more. Yeah, I know. Weird, huh? Excuse me. Never mind, there's still plenty. Oh, really? Really?
Polish my spines and tie me with a bow. Oh, what sort of babysitter falls asleep on the job? Tut, tut, young Peter, you should have woken me. Peter?
Shh. Really, really quiet.
Is that Peter?
Peter! Strawberries! Yummy!
And who's this? Oh, Mr. McGregor! Peter's gone to Mr. McGregor's garden?
Yeah!
Oh, this will never do! Come on, Cottontail!
Okay, now listen up, Tummy. I know you're feeling full and tired, but you're coming with me.
Peter, look!
Here, Kitty Kitty! Whoa.
Benjamin, this way!
Right, you wait there while I work out a way in!
Make it diggy, wiggle, funny.
Oh, crumple my penny!
Nice, Kitty. Huh? Mrs. Tiggywinkle?
Oh, that's enough of that, thank you. I might be old, Peter, but I'm still spiky. Now, you cat, leave this rabbit alone. Oh! I warned you. Off we go. Right then, you young scallywags. It seems to me that there are a lot of safer places to be running about than Mr. McGregor's garden.
Yes, but those strawberries are...
So juicy.
So sweet.
That may be, but while you're in my care, you stay where I can see you.
Fragrant whiff of rabbit. Well, well, 3 little pie-sized rabbits. Ah, my dear, you've already seasoned yourself with a little nettle. How thoughtful and delicious.
Leave my sisters alone!
And why should I do that?
Because you never fit 3 rabbits in a pie. Everyone knows that. See?
Peter!
Well, a fox mustn't be greedy. Much. Maybe I'll start with a Peter Rabbit pie.
One more step.
Let me out! I promise not to eat you. Much.
Come on, we're still having pie, even if Mr. Todd isn't.
You did it!
Yes, I did. No chance Mr. Todd will catch us now.
No, we mean you found the gooseberry bush. the sweetest, juiciest, most delicious berries in the woods. Well done, Peter. Yeah!
Thanks, Dad. Couldn't have done it without your map.
See, Peter, that's what comes from being prepared.
You didn't need your knitting, though, did you?
Thought you could leave me in a home, huh?
Hey! Stay away from my sisters! Gooseberry?
Oh, why not? It would sweeten up my rabbits.
A little help?
Don't worry, Peter. We'll save you. Yes, it's a good thing we've got our knitting.
Knitting?
Come back here.
Wait, Peter. Easy peasy.
Wow! That was brilliant!
Well, it was the least we could do, seeing as how you did save us first. Yes, you were really brave.
Maybe we should get out of here for real this time.
Monkey with a tool belt.
Quasi, sound the Octo alert. Octonauts, to the launch bay.
And got it!